We are working on a 280ZX engine to remove and change the oil pump, but this will work on any of the Datsun Zs and some other Datsun products. Alright, so we're going to be using a 12mm socket wrench, and most important thing you need to do is ensure that the oil is drained and that you are at top dead center for cylinder number 1 before you do this. So in this case, we've mocked this up on the engine block, and oil is already drained, and obviously bolts are already loosened. And key note, you'll have 2 long and 2 short bolts, so keep track of those. And when you do remove the oil pump out of the engine for the first time, it will be filled with oil, so be prepared. Now when you remove the oil pump and set it aside, you will take the gear pump out and clean it really well. Alright, so for installation, you're going to want to make sure your drive spindle is clean, and you'll want to then take some grease and grease the pinion gear, and then as well lightly oil the shaft of the spindle. And you'll take your oil pump and ensure that you have filled it with your engine oil so it's primed. And then you'll take and find the oil hole of the pump, and on the drive spindle there is a little dot right on the above the pinion gear, right there. You'll want to align those two together, and then of course, more importantly, you will place your gasket. Align those 2 pins, the hole and the dot, and insert it. And then align the oil pump holes accordingly. And then remembering to use your 2 longer bolts on the outside and the 2 shorter bolts on the inside of the engine. And you will torque those to 8 to 11 foot-pounds of torque on those bolts, and then you're complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll have more videos and an overview of the mods that we've done to the block and as well the head for the 280ZX engine.